Well, I just got an email from someone that said, uh, yeah, just give me a little rundown about Live Good. And I just said, God, I've already done almost 4,000 videos about Live Good since March 2023. But guys, I have more than enough time to just have a little conversation, especially via video. Because if I can sit here and just chat with you guys for like 5, maybe 10 minutes, I'll just show you some things on my computer screen and just talk about things that I've experienced since I joined Live Good of March of 2023. Okay. I'm not shy. I'll talk to you on the phone. I will text, inbox, Facebook, email. Guys, whatever it takes. Let me know. That's my job as an affiliate, is to make you feel comfortable. Because if you're going to spend $50 or $139.95, because that's how much it's going to cost if you want to join Live Good, $49.95, $40 one time to be an affiliate, then $9.95 a month. Or if you want to earn money and be an affiliate for 1 year, $40 one time, $99.95. Guys, you got 12 months for the price of 10. Okay, so let's just talk about money first. That way, if you're watching this video, I'm not a bait and switch guy. There's no upsells with me. If you've got $50, then please watch the rest of this video. If you have $140, good. Now let's just go to step 2. Live Good is based out of Jupiter, Florida. Founded back in 2022. It officially said ready, set, go December 13th of 2022. So in 1 month from today's video, we say happy birthday. In 2 years, we have grown to $15 million a month in sales. And guys, we are a membership-based website that mostly sells products wholesale. Okay, people spend the $10 a month because they want to buy the products to use. Put in the guts, put in the bods, get healthy. And why not do it wholesale? And if you want to retail, great. Okay, now we're in 200 and something countries, less than 2 years. All right, that is amazing. And right now, guys, we're going to have about 1.7 million people in this company by the time we say happy birthday, December 13th of 2024 here. Because today is November 13th as I look at my computer. And how you guys doing, by the way, if you're watching live. So in 1.5 years since I've joined, I'm excited. I've been able to crawl up the old leaderboard out of 1.7 million people. I'm number 27. Okay. And I'll show you some stuff on my screen because I think Live Good is awesome. Okay, so let me shrink up here on the bottom right of your screen. Now, if you want to go to joincory.com, go ahead and just put your email and your name in, and you'll get some emails that'll talk more about Live Good. And guys, you can opt out. This is not where you're going to get 1,000 emails and it's going to cram up your Gmail account, okay? But when you go to Live Good, please go to the products. I want you to look at all the products. Hit the white rectangle box because, just let's just say the multivitamin. Okay, if you want information, click any of the white rectangle boxes. So if you're a member for $10 a month, okay, it's 15. If you're not, it's only 19. That's still smoking deal. There's a description. There's all the seals, how to use, and there's our exact competition. See, guys, we're a membership-based website. We don't focus on retail. You don't have to buy any products to earn commissions with us. Okay, we commission the membership side. So $15. You got all the ingredients, all the seals. Okay, and that's just on one product. Guys, you got about 40 some odd products. We even have shirts, shaker bottles, and hats. Okay, you can see all hoodies. It's going in wintertime. Little beanie cap. Now, I recommend this too when you're at the website. FAQ. Look at that baby. Okay, all these lines. Read them and click them. And there's your answer. There's all the questions. Okay, check it out. So that's FAQ and products. Now, if you want to know the comp plan, go to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of your computer. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Depends how big your screen is. If you have a smaller screen, the word affiliate goes away and it just says pay plan. Okay, here's the 7 ways. Now look, just read through this, but here's the easy way. Please just go to the bottom and watch this YouTube video. All right, and say hi to this pretty girl here just hanging out by her lonesome. Watch the video, and it explains in great detail. I think it takes 8 to 9 minutes, but it'll explain all the pay. 7 different ways we get paid based on $9.95 a month. We're successful because This whole darn planet called Earth can afford this opportunity. This is not buy $500 a product, pretend to sell it, and then you get commissions based on other people you're brainwashing. Guys, we don't do that at Live Good. We are a legit company. We make the products that are organic. All right? Ben Glinsky pays cash for everything, our CEO. The distribution centers are going up worldwide. That way, the product is already in your country. Hello, Africa. Hello, Asia. Hello, the UK. What's going on upstairs there, Canada, or down below in Mexico? Isn't it nice to know that our company is building and taking existing buildings and turning them into proper distribution centers? Because right now we're based in Jupiter, Florida. Obviously, if you live in the UK, let's say Germany, France, England, there's a ton of countries over there. Wouldn't it be nice to know that you got big buildings that are just chock full of Live Good products? That way they get there faster and cheaper. Very important. There's a 3-month, 90-day guarantee on every product. Even if you don't like the Live Good hats, get your money back. You don't like the shirt, fits weird, wear it for 2 months. Don't even wash it. Send it back to Jupiter, Florida, get your money back. Use every product. Even if you use, let's see, I always have CBD oil. Even if you unscrew the lid, little bottle, pour it out, screw it back, send this back and get a full refund. You're not going to. Our refunds are almost at 0.0 right now. Our products are the best. They're organic. They're the most expensive products you can put in a package or container. But we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale-based company. We are not out to retail. That's what you do. Now, most people, they'll buy our products wholesale and just use them. But guys, if you want to make an extra $500 a month or $1,000 reselling, then go ahead if you want, but you don't have to. We're a membership-based website. You got $9.95 a month? Let's talk. I'm going to show you exactly what I do to get to number 27. Guys, I almost have 400 people signed up already. And I don't have any experience. I've only been doing this a year and a half. My career has been truck driving career. I owned a mortgage company and a car dealership in Vegas, and I've been in and out of FM radio for 35 years. So my expertise is a whole different thing than this online biz. I just make it fun. I'll make a video. I'll send out an email. I post on my social media, and this is what I do. Guys, go to joincory.com. I bought this for $11 on GoDaddy. I got these business cards for $30. Whole big old box that'll last me a year at Vistaprint. And I just invite people to links that are already made. And the link goes to a video. People sit back, watch videos like you're watching now, and they say yay or nay. Let the videos do all the recruiting and all the nonsense. There's product videos already made. Wait till you see the back office and the website that you get. Guys, it's mind-blowing. You can just post links all day to videos that are already made and just sit back and go, now how can I do this better? How can I email? Can I build a list? Can I do social media? All right? Can I get a business card and learn not to talk about the product in person? Here's you and I. Hey, what's going on? Tell me about Live Good. Well, I'm just going to give you a card. I want you to sit in your car with your cell phone behind your steering wheel and watch the video. I want you to go home, get on your big screen. Maybe you got a nice 40-inch big old monitor. Just sit and watch the Live Good video. Or lay in bed. Get that darn phone on your lap and watch Live Good video. You don't need to talk. The less you talk about Live Good, the better. And I mean that. Because the videos are produced. They get right to the point. They get right to the product, the opportunity. And if people are not into it, they don't have to like politely go, well, I got to ask my wife or got to ask my husband or my pet giraffe in the backyard. People will just say, this isn't for me. And they move on. If they want the products, they just buy the products. If they want to be members and get wholesale pricing, they have $10 a month. Awesome. But almost everybody upgrades to $40 one-time fee to be an affiliate. That's how I became an affiliate. I was buying the products. By the time it was March, the company was already 4 or 5 months old. I didn't care about being an affiliate. I wish I did back in March, but it took me 4 or 5 months before I said, well, I got $40. And then all of a sudden, man, I started making money and more money and more money and meeting more people worldwide. I can't guarantee you're going to make money. No business opportunity video like this can. Okay, so that's the best disclaimer that I can give you. But guys, if you just put in the effort, if you got $50, climb aboard. If you got $140, let's do it. Let's get you some business cards for 30. Let's get you a domain for 11. Let's just get you going. Okay? You got to do it now, though. The company's signing up 2,500 people on the average every single day. Every day. And people, they can only sign up underneath other affiliates. That's you. That's me. Let's do it now. The next 3-4 years, LiveGood's going to sign up anywhere from 10 to 20 or more million people. We're at 1.7 now in less than 2 years. You know that timing's everything. You do. You know this. Now's the time to join. In 5 years, I'm not going to be talking like this because we'll probably only sign up maybe 500 people a day worldwide. But right now, guys, we're at 2,000 to 3,000. You can't stop people from signing up. Why I'm hosting this video live right now, guys, people are going to sign up with or without whatever I or you do. But if you're an affiliate and you start just throwing out little messages, little emails, maybe do a video now and then just saying, guys, just check out this link. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, get a hold of me. I'm easy. I'm easy to get a hold of. Okay, Cory at CoryDraper.com. If we need to chat on the phone, I don't mind. And inbox me on Facebook. Okay. And other than that, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go ahead and just bookmark my Facebook page. And you guys have a good day. All right, Frito-Lay. Okay, nothing more to say. Peace and love. Okay, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.